come.
Kamiti ya mwanya ya gwetha kihonia kia ngucanio cia kimicii na iria iratongorio ni uria wari munini wa mucirithania munene Nancy Baraza ni thiete na mbere na cikaro cia muingi cia kungania mawoni kuria ikundi itiganite cikinyirie mbere ya kamiti no muthenya wa umuthi. Giikaro-ini kia umuthi ikundi itiganite ta kewopa, gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia umundu KNCHR, kamiti ya guthingatithia kihoto NCAJ na ruhonge rwigie kugitira aira macira-ini kuma wabici ya munene wa watho ni mendekithitie gwakwo kwa nyumba cia riuriro cia guthara atumia na airitu aria makoretwo magitungio ngero itiganite kana mari ugwati-ini wa gutungio ngero ici.
Safe houses are very, very important. But our view of many of the safe houses, first of all, they need to be secure and integrated in a way that they are also found in each and every of the 47 counties. But the security measures have to be upped. They are not where we need them to be. A lot of the safe houses also must be covert. They cannot be easily known.
Na niguo kugitira mutumia wothe guku bururi-ini, ikundi ici ciugite hari na bata wa njoragano cia atumia ithathaurwo wega kiwatho niguo itige kuono tu tari gikuo tu kiahanika, undu uria uguteithia gucirithia na gutacukiria makinya ma kiwatho aria maratabania ciiko ici.
There is a lack of a comprehensive definition of the offence of femicide to include the gender reasons to be considered as components of the offence. The absence of a legal definition provides an opportunity to overlook a case of femicide and instead handle it as a case of female homicide.
On the timelines for hearing GBV cases, we are proposing 6 months to 1 year because I think anything beyond a year will be justice not served to the victim. So that's our proposal as Kewopa.
Ningi ni mendekithitie thirikari ikorwo na mubango wa ungania wa data igie aria maratungio ngero ici na wabici cia kuhura riboti ciigie ngero ici ithamio kuma sesheni-ini cia borithi na itwarwo mathibitari-ini. Muikariri giti wa kamiti no Nancy Baraza akiuga njoragano cia atumia citikoywo ta thina wa atumia indi ta thina wa bururi.
There is critical need for the state to establish and mandate an integrated data system to collect, collate, and provide GBV data. If legal and programmatic response to GBV is considered in this approach, then we would find the responsive issues being well undertaken.
Entire parliament, whether they are men or women, that they see GBV and femicide as a national disaster, but not a male-female thing. So that whether they are male parliamentarians or female parliamentarians, they should look at that if our recommendations reach their door.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.